Can you trade on BingX without KYC in 2026? Yes, but it comes with clear limits and restrictions. On BingX, many users can still create an account using just an email or phone number and start trading without completing identity verification, depending on their country. After signing up, you can usually deposit crypto like USDT, BTC, or other supported coins and begin basic spot trading immediately. In some cases, limited futures trading is also available for unverified users, making it attractive for beginners who want quick access without going through KYC. However, the no KYC experience is not fully unlocked. BingX applies strict limits on unverified accounts. Withdrawal amounts are capped per day, and these limits are significantly lower compared to verified users. Fiat deposits, P2P trading, and some advanced features like higher leverage, copy trading enhancements, or promotional rewards may also be restricted until you complete KYC. This means you can trade, but your flexibility is reduced. It's also important to understand that KYC rules vary by country. In regions like the UK, Canada, Australia, and most of Europe, BingX usually